Hello lovelies, in today's video I'm going to show you all a potent and powerful DIY parsley hair growth oil. This oil is going to help you grow a healthy, longer and thick natural hair. Get some fresh parsley leaves, wash them clean to clear all the impurities. After washing them, is either you dry it or you pat it dry with your kitchen towel. But in this place, I didn't do any. After washing it, I decided to slice it. So guys, as we are slicing it and as we are processing the oil, I would like to say some of the benefits of this oil for our hair and our skin. In case you don't know, parsley leaf is a powerhouse of many nutrients, vitamins and minerals for our hair and our skin. So guys, let's get into the video. Parsley leaves is packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It's a potent ingredient for enhancing your beauty and for also enhancing a healthy, thicker and longer hair growth. Parsley oil promotes hair growth and helps keep your scalp healthy. Parsley is rich in other important nutrients which address a number of nutritional deficiencies that lead to hair loss or weak hair. Parsley has been traditionally used as a hair tonic or disinfect scalp and control hair loss. It contains arpignon, an antioxidant flavonoid which control hair fall. Parsley contains high amount of copper which help to retain hair natural color. It can be applied topically or can be taken in large amounts in your diet. Parsley is highly beneficial to promote hair growth. After slicing the parsley, you go ahead and put them inside your blender. After putting it in your blender, you add any oil of your choice. In this video, I'm using sunflower oil. So as you can see, I did not put any measurement. So you can choose any quantity of your choice. After adding the oil in the blender, you use the oil to blend it. Once it's smooth, pour it in a pan, then you put it on the fire. Then you allow it to boil in a low heat. But at first, mine was on high because of it's fresh and there's water inside. So after some time, reduced it to a low heat so that it should not take longer than I want. Then you start turning interval by interval. If you have watched this video to this extent and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up for engagement here on YouTube and drop your comments in the comment section below. If you have any comment, questions or suggestions, share this video to whom you feel needs it. Parsley contains beta-carotene which is converted to vitamin A for proper maintenance and repairing of skin. Thus, eating parsley improves skin elasticity and speed up the wound healing process. Parsley works wonders to erase under eye dark circles. It contains high amount of vitamin C, chlorophyll and vitamin K which help to lighten the under eye area and reduce puffiness. The volatile oil present in parsley provides antibacterial and antifungal properties, which is helpful for treating acne, pimples, skin infection, and to disinfect pores. Parsley contains high amount of antioxidants which protect our skin from free radicals, damage and delay the signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. After cooking for a while, as you can see, you see where I was using spoon to turn it. Once it's like that, you turn it off, allow it to cool a bit, then you strain it. After straining, your parsley oil is ready. You can use this oil to treat skin problem and acne. You can use this oil as an hot oil treatment. You can equally use this oil as a sealant. The thing is, you start seeing results from the first week of usage. Try this oil and thank me later. We have come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If so, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching and see you all in the next one. Bye.